You're in Phuket, and one of the major attractions to Phuket is going snorkeling. But where do you go? There are so many different locations. Find out our suggestions in this video right now. Hi there guys, Sean here from Star Marine with my very friendly snorkeling guide, Jay.
I got my fins on for no apparent reason whatsoever.
I just want to let you know it's been so long that Jay's been on a boat. He's probably been snorkeling in a bath with goldfish.
Snorkeling?
Snorkeling.
Hello?
Do you snorkel with her when she's in the bath?
She doesn't have a bath very often.
So anyway, there are a lot of different places that you can go snorkeling in Phuket, and I would like to say there is a lot of misinformation online. People say something about a location that has changed. A lot of the stuff that you read online is pre-COVID.
Yes.
It is so dated, so you must be very careful when you read something online. Check the date it was posted, because things may have changed since then. Because in COVID there was a massive recovery of both marine life, coral and snorkeling locations. So the way it's going to work, I'm going to give a snorkeling location, Jay's going to give us snorkeling locations, and we're going to give you 6 in total.
So 3 each?
Yes.
I did the maths.
I'm going to start first.
Why?
Because
no, paper, scissors, stone.
No, I'm starting.
Paper, scissors, stone.
For me, the number one snorkeling destination in this area, but it's a long way away, it's about 2 hours, Koh Haa and Koh Rok. Why? Koh Haa has a diverse marine lifestyle, and the size of the fish is quite large. Not like just the little tiger fishes, but there's a lot of beautiful different sized fish, different types of variety. You'll see reef sharks there, and when you go to Koh Haa, you also go to Koh Rok, and Koh Rok has the most colourful coral in our area.
Okay, that's a good one. You started further away.
Yes.
So I'm going to go further away as well, and then we're going to slowly but surely...
Where are you going to go? Malaysia? You're going to go to the Maldives, catch a plane?
I'm not going to go to the Maldives because it doesn't exist. The Maldives exist.
Yeah, I've been snorkeling in the Maldives. It's not that great.
Oh, Sean hates the Maldives. Everyone from the Maldives, comment below. We love Sean. Anyway, here's my place. Koh Crocodile Beach.
Koh Kradan.
Exactly, Koh Kradan. I've only ever
beautiful clear water.
I know.
And it won best
It's mine. It is my first pick.
Yes.
Anyway, I've only been there once. It was amazing. It had a really good drop off. And the drop off was fantastic. You go right down. It was probably one of the best snorkeling I've ever done. So that is my first one, is Koh Kradan, which
I would state these are too very far from Phuket.
I just said that!
If this is your first time coming to Phuket, don't go to these locations because it's a long boat trip.
Yes, but I'm just saying, if we start further out, then we can come back in.
Okay, next I'm going to go Racha Noi.
Oh, you need to do a video about Racha.
I really love Racha Noi. I
really?
think it's very clear water. I think it's very quiet. There are some great snorkeling spots as well as diving spots which are not so deep, so that you can snorkel the diving spots as well.
Do you know what? When I was driving here today and we was talking about which video we're going to shoot, and we said we were going to do Racha.
Yes.
I've realised I've only ever been there once, and that was with Lucas to do his dive course.
Yes. And
I only ever snorkeled there, and I didn't think the snorkeling was very good there.
I think the colour of the water is probably one of the best colours that you'll see in our area. I would agree at Racha Yay itself, there's not great coral. There is marine life, but if you go out to Racha Noi, it's amazing.
I think I was at the other one where there wasn't. It was great. The water was stunning.
Racha Yay is where they go to teach divers.
Yeah,
Racha Noi is a little bit more of an advanced diving spot, but in terms of snorkeling, it's quite safe. You can snorkel right off the beach. And we took a lot of the White Lotus crew there diving.
Okay.
And
good name drop.
Thank you.
I'm having trouble seeing it now.
Now back to you.
Is it back to me? Do you know what? I'm going to throw a random one out there because it's one I did recently and I really liked it. And that is the backside of Maiton.
Maiton is great. Did you see the spiry corals?
I did see the spiral corals, and I also
the actual name of that coral.
It's called spiral coral.
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually and also saw clownfish, which are my favourite fish in the whole world, apart from obviously sharks. But the clownfish are amazing, and it's just beautiful.
And if you want to go snorkeling at Maiton, you should know that we're not allowed to go onto the beach. We are allowed to snorkel around it, and one of the reasons that Maiton is good snorkeling is because they are planting coral there to regrow.
I noticed that as well.
Coral.
I've got video of that. Actually, my girl's probably going to get that video and he's going to put it on there. So yeah, the back side of Maiton, the front side is also okay, depending on which side you are.
Now,
really,
when we do Maiton, normally we combine it with coral or Khai. What's the recommendation? Coral or Khai?
Coral. That was going to be my third pick.
The back side of coral is beautiful.
No, front side's better.
Really?
We're going to get to that. It's my bit
Yeah, you
next.
can get back to it.
We'll get back to it. So anyway, Maiton's really good. You go backside or front side, depending on the weather, and it's a really cool place. And you might see dolphins there. I hate dolphins, but you might see dolphins there.
Now, my next pick is Khai. There are 3
Yes.
Khais: Khai Nok, Khai Nui, and Khai Nai.
Good job.
I would do Khai Nui. Khai Nok and Khai Nai are quite busy and the coral is quite damaged, but Khai Nui, because there's no beach, it's quite nice. Very nice actually. And if you go in very close to where the old restaurant used to be, there's a lot of coral there.
On that side?
Yeah, on that
I've
side.
only ever snorkeled on that side.
No, snorkel the other side.
The other side where the restaurant was?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Oh, there you go, top tip. Do you want my third one?
Yes.
We've already mentioned it. Coral Island.
#1 beach in the world, apparently.
Well, that's Banana Beach. Do you know why I love coral? And I say this every time. For me, if you're a beginner snorkeler or you're an advanced snorkeler, it's perfect because you can walk out, you don't need to swim out, so you walk straight from the beach and you get out and it's all roped off, so it's nice. You don't have to worry about anyone coming anywhere near you with boats and kind of propellers. You don't have to worry about any of that. And it's a really good coral and it's only that deep.
And I think
So
what
it's
I would
lovely.
say is, based on the order that we've done this, if you are kids and young families, then the recommendation of coral and Khai
And
works.
Maiton works.
Yes, and then if you go to like middle-aged kids, is that the right word?
Middle-aged kids.
Maybe teenagers or
Teenagers would be
early
better.
teens,
Yeah.
or 10 and above, then something like Racha Noi is definitely worthwhile. If you've been here a few times and you're looking to go a little bit further out and you don't mind the travel distance, then the further distance that Jay and I talked about would be the ones to go to.
Well, do you know what? We haven't mentioned some others that are normal. We've not once mentioned PP.
Yeah, look, I just think
I love
that's-
PP just to see the sharks.
I do, but I think a video like this is going to come out as we head into peak season, and it's going to get busy. It's really going to get
Sure.
busy, and I think this time, if you're looking for a snorkeling only tour, I wouldn't be advising PP.
Well, you've got one more to do, haven't you? I've done 3.
I've done 3 too.
What did you do?
I did Koh Rok, Racha
Yeah.
Noi, and Khai.
Oh, okay. And I did crocodile, Maiton, and coral.
Yeah, so 6.
Oh.
So these are the 6 snorkeling destinations. If you're looking for a snorkeling only tour, and I get a lot of these kind of inquiries where it's, I want to go snorkel, and I give these 6 options, and they say, what about PP? And I actually think PP is more a combined tour of a little bit of snorkeling with a little bit of beach time, with a little bit of lagoon time, with a little bit of sightseeing. It's not a fully focused, I'm going to snorkel 3 times and go home kind of tour.
No, I agree. Do you know what we haven't mentioned at all?
Yeah, but we don't want to mention it. You and I are not fans of it.
No, I know. Should we not even mention it?
Let's not even mention it.
Okay, we won't even mention it.
There is one that we're not mentioning. If you know what it is, drop it in the comments below, and Jay and I will write a response as to why we don't recommend it.
Yes, indeed. Anyway, if you've got any questions about... In fact, I did a whole video about what different masks to wear. We can
You
put
should
that...
go watch that video.
Yes,
So
it's
put it
good, isn't it?
put it in the description.
Very good.
What masks to use, how to use them carefully, where to go.
And I am going to be doing a video shortly on these things, which are called fins, aka flippers. Not Flipper the dolphin.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yes.
Any questions, like, subscribe, comment, share, and say hello to Fang in the comments. She's sitting behind the video looking like, oh my gosh, I have to film these guys all the time.
She looks like she had a great Sunday night and not so good Monday morning.
Looks like she's had about 8 coffees to get started.
8 coffees. She looks like she was drinking
And
something
shout
else
out
last
to
night.
Mikhail.
He said it! He said it!
You're gonna,
You got his name right.
you're gonna
Woo-hoo!
pack in all of the snorkeling footage so people can see it.
Well done getting his name right.
That's
Honestly.
it, guys. We're out of here.
Thanks for watching. Peace and love. Bye.